Okay, the next lesson is area of triangular prisms in the volume unit for geometry. So one thing that we need to remember or refresh ourselves on is how to find the height and the area of a triangle before we can get into three-dimensional prisms. So first things first, to find the perimeter, we'll start off simple. Perimeter is adding up all the outsides. So we got 15 plus 15 plus 18, which is 48. We'll go inches on this one, because why not? So we've got 48 inches is our perimeter. Next thing we need is the height of the triangle. So this is not the height, it's called the slant height. What we want is the height right here, okay? So what we need to do is flash back and change this to 9 and 9, because that still makes 18. So now we have a right triangle. This is 15, this is 9, this is the height that we need. So h squared plus 9 squared equals 15 squared. So h squared is equal to, sorry, I'll write it out for you guys. So this equals 225 minus 81 minus 81. And we get 225 minus 81 is 144. H squared equals 144. Square root that on both sides, and we get h is 12. Okay? So the height of our triangle is 12. Now we're going to go back to the original triangle in order to find the area. Oops, I forgot we did inches. So we have to go back to the original triangle, so don't get confused. Do not use this one. Go back to the original. And what we're going to do is take the area formula for triangles, which is base times height divided by 2. So for us, our base was 18, our height was 12, and we need to divide that by 2. So 18 times 12 divided by 2 is 108. And we're talking inches squared because that is area. All right, so now that we've refreshed our memory, we can go ahead and move forward. So now we have some triangular prisms that we're looking for. In this one, the first thing we need is the missing side, so like right here. And what we have is a 90-degree angle, which means we could do 7 squared plus 9 squared equals, we'll just say C. So we've got 7 squared is 49 plus 81 equals C squared. 49 plus 81 is 130. And then we have to square root 130. And we get 11.40. All right. So our missing side is 11.40. Now, when we draw out this triangle, we have 9, 7, and 11.40. So what we need to find now is the base. So our cookies this time look like triangles. So to find the area of the base, we go base times height divided by 2. So for us, that is 7 times 9 divided by 2, which is 63 cut in half. It's 31.5. We'll go inches squared. Sorry, yeah, inches squared on this one. Then for perimeter, perimeter is add up the outside. So we've got 9 plus 7 plus 11.40. So this is 16, 26, 27.4. And that's inches. Height of the prism, again, that means how many cookies would there be? That's this dimension, the third dimension. So we've got 11. And then surface area, it's still the same formula, you guys. So it's still 2b plus ph. So it's going to be 2 times b is 31.5 plus p, which is the perimeter or the distance around one cookie, times the height, which was 11. So let me type that all into the calculator. 2 times 31.5 plus the perimeter was 27.4 times the height was 11. 364.4. And that's inches squared because that is surface area. And then our last one is volume. So this one is still the formula B times H. So capital B is 31.5 times our height is 11. And that equals 31.5 times 11 is 346.5 inches cubed. Okay, I'm going to pause because the next one's a little bit uglier and I don't want to get cut off.